Hi and welcome to the Marty K from LA YouTube channel. This video shows an easy, fast, and inexpensive way to connect an active rechargeable speaker to the new 2024 Icon display. The Icon new display allows one to use a Bluetooth host connection, a USB connection for media on the USB thumb drive. Additionally, the display allows for AM and FM radio. The opportunity for new buyers is that there are no speakers installed by the factory on these golf carts. I am presenting a method to quickly connect a speaker without having to cut any wires or drill into anything on the cart. The most important thing to know is that the 2024 golf carts with the new display has a 3.5mm cable that is hidden in a wire bundle on the passenger side of the golf cart behind the battery compartment. The 3.5mm cable has a male connector that can plug directly into an active speaker. In my setup, I am showing a MusiBaby battery-powered rechargeable speaker whose Amazon associate link is in the description. I used a 3.5 gender changer adapter to be able to use the cable that I had on hand. I attached the other end of the cable that I had on hand directly into the speaker and I was ready to go. I ended up placing the powered speaker in the basket behind the seat. The wire was fed from the battery compartment to the speaker which was in the basket. The MusiBaby speaker is small enough to place in the glove compartment when I wanted to hide it from view. I hoped you found the video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.